Okay, now I'm ready. Say it loud.
I don't need to do that.
Okay, well, say it loud.
Heal the Word of God and obey. Luke 11:28.
Wow, awesome. Okay, what about the next one?
Chosen, obey your parents, and everything. For this, it's pleasing to the Lord.
Good. That's it. It's pleasing to the Lord. Good.
Good job.
Where's that found at? You need some help?
Colossians
Colossians
3:20.
3:20.
Awesome job. You did great, Brinley. All right. That's it. Say goodbye.
Bye, Mimi and Papa.